আমি এখন ইসলামের 5টি ভিত্তি নিয়ে ইংরেজিতে সংক্ষিপ্ত বক্তব্য দেব ইনশাআল্লাহ। My name is Shaheen. I am a student of Nanupur Margareta Al-Musunnah Hafiza Madrasa. Respected teacher, dear audience, and all of my friends, I would like to greet you in Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to talk about the 5 pillars of Islam. Generally, Islam is based on 5 pillars. The 5 pillars of Islam are: number 1, Ash-Shahada, the declaration of faith, which is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God worthy of worship but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. Number 2, Salah, the compulsory prayer 5 times every Muslim pray at least 5 times every single day. Number 3, Zakah, payment of the purifying dues on needs. Muslim must pay Zakah and the needy. Number 4, Saum, fasting in the month of Ramadan. Number 5, Hajj, which means the pilgrimage. A Muslim visits the Kaaba for performing Hajj at least once in his life. Lipi is able to do so. A building which has 5 pillars will stand firm. Leave all Muslims to that 5 things well. Islam will be firm. Before finishing, I would like to pray to Almighty Allah and show us a right path to go to Jannah. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.